Alright, what's going on, guys? Today's going to be a little bit of a different video. I recently had trouble with my drone, and the problem was my camera on my drone was like stuck. So I went on YouTube and tried to find a tutorial on how to fix it, and literally I had no luck finding any helpful videos whatsoever. But then I came across this one guy that didn't speak English very well, and he solved my problem. So it's not a major issue, but on these DJI drones, I have the Mini 2 here. I fly my drone like with a lot of dirt and sometimes a lot of wind, because I'm on the construction site all the time. So basically what happened is I had a lot of sand and dust and dirt stuck in between this gimbal, and it wasn't letting my camera adjust. So like I said, I tried to find videos on this and no one had any real good solutions until I found that one guy. So this is basically what this video is going to be about. Might be a little bit shorter video, but hopefully it helps someone out there if you have a DJI Mini or even just the bigger Maverick one. But anyway, the simple solution is, if you ever have like the warning on your phone, or like the little problem, it comes up in red when you're flying on your little app. It says gimbal stuck, and that basically means that this camera is not able to move by itself. So what I found from that one dude was, in order to get all the sand and stuff out, you kind of gotta trial and error it. But what I did and worked for me was, I just grabbed the camera like this. Let me go up closer. I just went in here and literally just started moving it back and forth, and at first it didn't help, it didn't work. But then I got like you guys know what, like the little dust sprayer thing, the pressurized air. So I got that and I sprayed it all in between these little joints, and before you know it, my gimbal started moving again by itself and the problem was gone. So yeah, if you ever have that problem, if you own a DJI drone with the camera, that's definitely the way to do it. Luckily it was just like some dust and it wasn't like an actual problem, but yeah, that's how you fix it. And just keep working at it. Try to keep your stuff clean. See, I need to clean my drone a little bit, because I fly it like around a bunch of debris, microscopic debris. But yeah, that's basically what I did, and now it works. So any of you guys, probably none of my subscribers, but anyone who came across this video, that's how you do it. Hopefully it was helpful, and yeah, thanks for watching, dudes. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. Alright, peace.